morning coffee could do more than just wake you up. Imagine transforming it into a powerful ally in your weight loss journey. Enter Java Burn, the innovative supplement that turns your daily cup of joe into a fat-burning, energy-boosting elixir. Let's dive into how Java Burn can revolutionize your mornings and your health. Java Burn is a unique tasteless powder that you add to your coffee. This supplement is designed to enhance your metabolism, help you shed pounds, and provide a sustained energy boost throughout the day. It's formulated with natural ingredients that works synergistically with coffee to amplify its benefits. So guys, the Java Burn is completely natural. You don't need to worry about side effects or contradictions when taking it. It will enhance your metabolism. Java Burn's ingredients are specifically chosen to boost your metabolic rate, helping you burn more calories even at rest. Convenient and easy to use. You just have to simply stir Java Burn into your morning coffee and you're good to go. It is tasteless, so it won't alter the flavor of your favorite brew. And also sustained energy. Unlike regular coffee, which can lead to energy crashes, Java Burn provides a steady, sustained energy boost throughout the day. So people experience with the Java Burn some weight loss success, improved focus and energy, and curbing cravings. Seriously guys, Java Burn is a game changer for coffee lovers looking to enhance their weight loss efforts and boost their daily energy levels. With its blend of natural metabolism boost ingredients, it transforms your regular coffee into a potent health supplement. Whether you're aiming to shed pounds, increase your energy, or improve your focus, Java Burn offers a simple, effective solution for you. Besides all of these benefits, the producer even offers you a money-back guarantee, so you can actually test it, and if you don't like, they return all of your money back. My only alert for you guys is where you're going to get it from, because Java Burn is only available to purchase on your official website, nowhere else. That's why I left you the link just below in the description box of my video. This is the only place you can get it from, nowhere else, so keep that information in mind, okay? Also, on the official website is the place you can check the complete information about it, see people's testimonials, the complete list of ingredients, and of course, buy the original product. So now that you finished watching this video, I recommend you guys to go there and check it out.